Can anyone guess, with a wooden frame this big, what kind of fruit I'm going to grow next? Here's a hint. It's very sweet and very large. I'm going to reuse old sacks and this wooden frame to DIY my own planter. I use a staple gun to secure the sack firmly to the frame, creating a base that is both durable and extremely breathable. Watermelon roots really need oxygen, and these holes ensure that water drains away instantly, even during heavy rain or if I accidentally overwater them. The planter is now ready. Okay, I'm lining the bottom with a layer of rice husks to prevent soil compaction and blockages in the drainage holes. To keep the soil fluffy and prevent it from getting sticky after many waterings, I'm adding perlite to the mix. On top is a layer of soil mixed with fertilizer and rice husks. Just level the surface evenly by hand. I'll spread another layer of clean sack over the surface to act as a shield protecting the young plants from the environment. Mark the positions for the holes. They should be 30 to 40 centimeters apart. The seedlings have strong roots now. They've completely filled the starter soil. Place the seedling into the prepared hole, then cover and gently press the soil around the base. Instead of watering on the surface like the traditional way, I'm using a plastic bottle with holes drilled around it for slow irrigation. Water will seep slowly through the small holes, going straight into the ground where the roots are waiting. As the watermelon vines reach out, I'll support them by tying them gently. I've leaned the trellis against the fence to save space. When the vines cover this trellis, it will form a lush green roof, protecting the soil below and keeping the watermelons off the ground, avoiding pests and mold. I'll take kitchen scraps and put them directly into the slow irrigation bottles next to the watermelon roots. My watermelon vines are racing to climb the trellis. The tips are getting much longer now. The first tiny fruits have started to appear. I only leave a few fruits on each plant, but every single one is plump, with glossy green skin and a firm feel. They look like a bunch of piglets sunbathing on the trellis. As the watermelons get bigger, I use plastic baskets tied to the trellis to support their weight, preventing the vines from breaking. I continue to add organic fertilizer regularly. The fruits are still growing well. I feel like the basket is getting too tight at this stage. I'll reduce the amount of water so the watermelons can accumulate the highest sugar content. Visiting the trellis these past few days, I'm so eager to harvest. I notice the fuzz on the stem has fallen off, and the tendril near the fruit has withered. I think I need to prepare a very large basket. The watermelon is ripe. The skin is tight and glossy. When I tap it, I hear that thump thump sound. Oops! One of the watermelons has split open. An unexpected accident, but it brings a sweet feast. This split fruit is the answer to the quality of growing watermelons with kitchen waste. Now, come and enjoy this first result with me. This is definitely the best watermelon I've ever eaten.